and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I am Charlie Zena, and today I am coming to you with the hair tutorial. So in this video, I actually did some rice water. I did a rice water treatment on my hair, and I also did a braid out. So it's a combination of both. I'm actually going to be doing so much more hair tutorials on my channel. If you didn't already subscribe, make sure you subscribe, so you definitely don't want to miss out on those tutorials. This is the final look, and I absolutely love how it turned out. I don't even remember the last time I seen my hair looking like this, honestly, truly. If you want to see how I created this look from start to finish, then make sure you just keep on watching. So I want you guys to just take a quick look at what my hair looks like right now. It's looking kind of... I heard about rice water and that it helps your hair grow. It also helps your hair to become thicker. I'm not too concerned about growth, although that would be nice. I'm more concerned about, you know, making my hair thicker. So I'm gonna start by showing you guys my length. My hair is right about, you know, shoulder length, I would say. I'm not even sure you guys can see it. Can you see it? So let's take these out and let's see what they look like. Very gentle. I also really need to clip my ends badly. Like, I don't know if you guys could tell, but these ends really need to be clipped. If we're gonna do a length check, let's also check the front. It's super shrunken right now, you guys. We're just gonna do a quick check. How long is it? We're gonna section our hair into 4 sections first, so. And another thing I want to mention, you guys, is that rice water can be pretty harsh on your hair, so make sure you do like a deep condition or something that's really going to keep your hair moisturized. Alright, so I'm going to start in the back. I put my rice water in a little spray bottle. My whole head would actually take up about half of this. I'm going to start on this back section here. Let's do 3 parts. So I'm going to just take a third of this. It doesn't have to be perfect, you guys. And I am going to twist that up. These hair clips, I got them off of Amazon. I can link them in the description bar down below. I'm going to take this first section and just do a little bit of finger detangling, just a little bit. I would say I have 4/8. See this curl here? I did not film how I made my rice water, but all I did was sit the water for 48 hours on my cabinet in a mason jar and let it sit. Let's just get started. So I'm spraying it. I want to make sure it's getting in my scalp. So that's all in. I feel like it's definitely in enough. So I'm just gonna twist this. Ooh, look at that length, you guys. You guys see that length? Ooh. Alright, so these are my first 2 twists. So you guys saw what I'm doing. You don't need to see the whole thing. So what I'm going to do is do the rest of my head, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. I put it in everywhere on my hair. I'm actually going to take these twists out. This is cute. This will be a cute little hairstyle, right, you guys? Like, I should just twist my hair up like this and just let it be. No. So I'm going to put them all up. And then I'm going to take a plastic cap and put this over my head. I'm gonna leave this on my head for about 35 to 45 minutes, maybe an hour. All right, y'all, so it's been about 50 minutes. All right, I said I wasn't gonna go a whole hour. I'm about to wash this out my hair. You can literally see inside the cap the steam. All right, so this is my hair, you guys, before I go ahead and wash it out. All right, so I'm back, you guys. It's been about another 10 minutes. I'm gonna wash this out, and then we're gonna figure out how I'm gonna style my hair. All right, so I did not put, ooh, this is cute. This is what my natural hair is looking like right now, y'all. I'm so happy I put that conditioner in it after the rice water instead of deep conditioning before the rice water. So I have 3 things that I'm going to put into my hair, and I'm going to show you guys what they are. I'm going to do the leave-in, then I'm going to do this oil, silk protein, protein oil, and I'm going to put this cream in. So I'm going to section it off into 4 sections. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna start on the back. I'm gonna put some of this leave-in conditioner first, then I'm gonna detangle it. After I detangle it, I'm gonna add in this oil and the cream and twist it up. So I'm just gonna really show you guys one corner, how I'm gonna do this entire corner, and then I'm gonna do my whole head off camera. So leave-in is gonna go in. Wow, you guys, my hair feels so good. I'm gonna take this coconut and hibiscus hold and shine moisture mist, and I'm just gonna put a little bit because I'm also gonna put some of this cream, and I don't want to suffocate my hair with too many products. Then I'm gonna take just a dab of this. This bottle is dirty. It's been sitting in my pocket for a while. All right, I might need to use a little bit more than that, maybe. All right, that's enough. Ooh. I'm gonna do a braid out, you guys. What I'm gonna do is kind of finger that and put a drop, not even a drop, to just go on the ends and seal those ends. Voila. And let's do another. Boom. That's my first section, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and do that to my whole head, and I'll be back. All right, you guys, so I'm back. I'm not gonna lie, after I put these braids in my hair, I was chilling for like 4 hours. They're completely dry now. This is what they look like. I honestly like it. Like, you get to really see my length a little bit. I'm either probably going to leave these until tomorrow and take them out tomorrow. If I take them out tomorrow, I'm gonna let you guys know. If I don't take them out tomorrow, I'll film whenever I do take them out, because I might want to leave these in for a couple of days. So alright, you guys, so I'm back. It's actually been 2 days, so I did want to keep these braids in my hair for just a little bit longer before I took them out, just because you don't want to be manipulating your hair too much. Right now, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take these braids down. I actually want to first lay my edges, and to do that, I'm just going to use some Got To Be Glued. I don't have any edge controller, so I'm just going to use some Got To Be Glue. Alright, cool. So now that my edges are laid, I'm gonna throw some oil throughout it. So it's been 2 days since I actually put the rice water and put these braids in. I wanted to keep them in for a while. It is feeling kind of dry, but I don't want to wet it with like water, so I'm gonna just put some of this olive oil spray all over my braids, like all over it, for real, for real. That was a lot. So now it feels like nice and smooth. And let's start to undo this. And let's see what this does. Ooh, that's cute, y'all. That's cute. That's cute. I like it. I like it. Sorry about that, guys. My camera just cut off on me, and yeah, I'm almost done taking it out. I have one more braid to do. So this is what it looks like if I just took it out, didn't do any kind of maneuvering, anything. I literally just took out all the braids. Let's do a turnaround. This is the back. Alright, so we're gonna separate these a little bit. I'm gonna put some more of this in it now that it's all out. Alright, shaky shaky, and I'm going to do some separating. This is cute. All right, I didn't think it was gonna come out this cute because I've done like twist outs and it's never like this stretched. I actually really like this. You see that? Do you see how this is all part of just one thing, right? If you look, this is all together, but you'll see that it could be separated. So I'll separate it. I feel it. I can totally feel the clump in my hands. Let's even hit that once more. Cute. This is really cute. So what I want to do is one more thing to try my best to get some more volume, and that is we are going to pick this out. So hopefully I don't create too much frizz. Like, you want to lay edges even if you're gonna have your hair out. Why? Because let's just say it's hot and you're outside, it's the summertime right now, and you just want to throw it up. Ow. And you might just want to throw your hair up. Your edges will be laid and ready to be displayed. You feel me? All right. Y'all, this is cute. I'm shocked. I shocked myself. So let's take a look at the back. I'm gonna do a little turnaround for you guys to see the back. This is the back. I'm on to something, y'all. I'm glad y'all was here. I'm glad I documented this. This is so cute. Like, my curls are so cute. Legit adorable right now. Like, so we all know that after day 1 or day 2, it gets bigger and it gets cuter and it gets nicer. This is just day 1 hair, so it's good. I'm not gonna mess with it too much for day 1. I'm just gonna say this is the look. This is the finished look, you guys. So I am so happy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you already reached the end and you still have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you know every time I'm uploading. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye-bye.